Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study biochemistry for a NISIT. Start by building a strong foundation in the basics. Understand the structure and function of essential biomolecules such as amino acids, proteins, carbohydrates, and lipids. Dedicate time to grasp the core concepts of metabolism, including glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation. A solid understanding of these foundational elements will make more complex topics much easier to comprehend and retain for your exam preparation. To truly master biochemistry, active learning is key. Don't just passively read, engage with the material. Try to explain complex pathways like the urea cycle or fatty acid synthesis in your own words. Solving at least 50 to 100 practice questions per topic will solidify your understanding and highlight areas needing more attention. Linking these concepts to common diseases will also enhance your clinical correlation skills. Selecting the right resources is crucial for efficient study. Focus on one comprehensive textbook and perhaps one concise review book. Online platforms offering video explanations can clarify difficult concepts, especially for topics like enzyme kinetics or genetic disorders. Implement a revision schedule, perhaps reviewing topics every 3 days, then 7 days, then 2 weeks. This spaced repetition significantly improves long-term memory retention for the vast amount of information. On exam day, strategic thinking is vital. Focus on high-yield areas such as metabolic disorders, vitamins, and their deficiencies, which often account for 20 to 30% of questions. Ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of sleep before the exam to optimize cognitive function. During the test, read each question carefully, eliminate incorrect options, and manage your time wisely. Believe in your hard work and stay calm. Your preparation will guide you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.